Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 21st of January 2026. In today's top renewable energy news, Masdar and Octopus Energy have signed two Memoranda of Understanding for clean energy project development initiatives in the UK and Africa. The companies will look to work together to free up hidden capacity across the UK's distribution network to power the next generation of data centers. By combining on-site solar, batteries, and flexible grid connections, data centers will be able to unlock the power they need far sooner without lengthy network delays. The Brazilian wind energy sector begins 2026 with a barrier that could hinder the progress of the main companies operating in the segment. There are two headwinds in this direction. First, the long period of the interest rate set at 15% per year. Second, the lack of a solution from the federal government to end curtailment, which costs power generators significant revenue. The lack of mobilization to resolve these problems has caused Brazil to lose important data center construction projects to other countries, such as Mexico and Argentina. Electricity capacity in Turkey reached 122 gigawatts in 2025. Of that total, 62% was from renewable sources. Photovoltaics grew by 4.9 gigawatts compared to 1.7 in the wind power segment. Renewables made up 99% of the net additions, amounting to 6.3 gigawatts total. To reach the 2035 targets, an average of 8 gigawatts of combined solar and wind capacity must be commissioned each year. Windar Renovables will invest €50 million in the construction of a new production plant dedicated to the manufacturing of onshore wind towers. The factory will be located in Legnica within the region of Lower Silesia in Poland. This new industrial center represents a milestone in its strategy of international expansion. It also consolidates Poland's position as a key industrial hub within the global footprint of Windar. The construction phase is scheduled to be completed this year, and production is expected to begin at the end of the year. French renewables company Voltalia announced the launch of a new subsidiary that will be dedicated to the delivery of renewable energy services. It will handle Voltalia's engineering, procurement, and construction, as well as operations and maintenance services. The unit will bet on its parent's experience of installing 5.6 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity and managing the operation of almost 2 gigawatts on behalf of third parties in Europe and Brazil. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.